A machine never gets tired. It never asks for a raise. It never misses a day of work. And one morning, it took a father's place. Of a man. Who spent 20 years building a life. With his own hands. Only to discover that a machine could do his job faster. At home, Emma believed her father could fix almost anything. Let's get this chain back on.
Wow, thanks, Dad.
You're all set to ride now. A broken bicycle. A toy missing a wheel. To her, Dad was a superhero. His wife, Maria, saw something different.
She saw the long hours.
She saw the tired eyes. Inside the warehouse, Daniel knew every corner of the building. We need to place these main pallets over there. Make sure they align perfectly with the line. There you go. That is exactly how we keep this place organized. Every sound. Every machine. New employees came to him for advice. Always check the label before you shelf it. For 20 years, he believed loyalty mattered. Then one ordinary morning, everything changed. The workers gathered for what seemed like another routine meeting.
Thank you all for coming. We have some important updates to share regarding our operations. Management spoke about innovation. Innovation. Management.
They spoke about efficiency. They spoke about the future. But Daniel heard something else. He heard one word. Replaced. After 20 years of loyalty, his future disappeared in less than 5 minutes. The final day arrived faster than he expected. For 20 years, this locker held more than tools. It held memories. Years of hard work were packed into one small box. The place that once felt like home suddenly felt unfamiliar. Nearby, the new system worked exactly as designed. It wasn't cruel. It wasn't personal. It simply did the job faster. But somehow, it still felt personal. After 20 years, Daniel walked out carrying everything his career had become. He arrived home, but couldn't bring himself to get out. For the first time in years, he didn't know what to say. How do you explain losing the job that supported your family? How do you tell the people who believe in you most?
Maria knew something was wrong the moment she saw him. He didn't need to say much. Sometimes silence says everything.
That night, uncertainty sat at the table with them. That night, he began searching for answers. He believed experience would be enough. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. Application after application disappeared into the digital void. Most received no response. Others ended with polite rejection. Daniel began questioning everything. His skills. His future. Even his own worth. The world seemed to be moving forward without him. One night, Daniel sat alone in the garage. The tools around him once gave him purpose. Now they felt like reminders of a life that no longer existed. The silence felt heavier than any workload he had ever carried. A question kept repeating in his mind.
If a machine can do what I did,
What do I still have to offer? Then someone quietly walked into the room. It wasn't a recruiter. It wasn't a job offer. It was his daughter, holding a picture of her hero. For the first time in months, Daniel saw himself through someone else's eyes. The next morning, he chose not to fight the future. He chose to learn. Months later, Daniel wasn't being replaced by technology anymore. A job can be lost. A career can change. But no machine can decide a person's worth. Technology will continue to change the world, but the human spirit has always found a way forward.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. You will get more amazing content. Just click that subscribe button.